Hey YouTube, this is John with Space City EDC with another SAK Saturday here. This week we're looking at the Victorinox 58mm Rogue is the name of this one. And this is kind of a combination of the tools of the Classic and the Rover. And it's real similar to the Rambler. So let's open it up and see what we got here. You got the Classic key ring, of course. You've got a toothpick for the scale tool. You've got the tweezers and the scales. And you've got your blade, standard 58mm pin blade. You've got a pair of let's see what we got here. Scissors, which are great little scissors. For you who don't know, these are about as good as you can get for little scissors to carry with you. You have a nail file. It's a nail cleaner tip, which is a little different than many of your standard chips. This is a, let me pull it out here. A lot of your 58mm now come with the little flat tip screwdriver on there, but this one has a dedicated nail cleaner. And you have the combination tool. Now the difference between this combination tool and say one on a Rambler or the other Victorinox models is a tip. The Rogue comes with a little flat tip, if you can see that. And I don't know, trying to see if it's magnetic. Yes, it is. See that? Let me pull this out here. These little screwdrivers in these are magnetic, so kind of cool. It also has a wire stripper here. And this is your bottle opener. Now, it came out first in 1995, and then in 1997 they added the wire stripper. But the weight on these things is 29.35 grams. And of course the length is 58mm and the width is 10.3 millimeters. But this is a pretty cool little pocket tool. I carry, this is like the Rally. The Rally would be just like the Rogue, except it's gonna have, like I said, the difference in the screwdriver tip. But basically, it has all the same tools, you know. This is a Midnight Manager, but it's all that is basically the Rally with the a flashlight and a ink pen instead of your scale tool. Right, looking at that right now, we're looking at the Rogue, and the Rogue has been discontinued, but you can still buy them in the used market, and which is where I got this one. This one was in really good shape, so I was happy to add this to my collection. I've had it for a little while, a couple of years, I think. But anyway, let's open it up one more time. Take a look at those tools on here. And that's our Swiss Army knife for SAK Saturday. Got the tweezers and the toothpick. So here you go. The Victorinox Rogue. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. I come out with these videos once a week or more, depending on time permitting. But hope you enjoy your weekend. Hope you had a great New Year, and Christmas, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. You guys take care.